TikTok Lite earning coins. So here's the fastest way to earn coins in TikTok Lite. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you the fastest way to earn coins in TikTok Lite. So if you I'm gonna give you two ways. So the first way is the reward right here. Just click on reward. And so how do we like what they call this start watching what they call this um earn faster with our coins here, because you need to watch every 15 seconds. So let's say you want to watch at the same time. I suggest downloading a auto clicker, the one with the motion. So every 15 seconds your auto clicker will just swipe up. I suggest doing that. You can download that. If you want, you can download from Play Store, App Store. Just find any auto clicker right there. It will help you save much more faster without you actually using your phone itself. Second method is going live. By going live yourself, you can earn coins by going live. Having what they call this, people watch your video or whatnot, and just having people what they call this press to give you like. So yeah, so just you can do that. But just going live, you can earn coins as well, and it's much more faster than just here the rewards. But yeah, those are the two ways that you can do it faster here on TikTok Lite. Anyways guys, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have no question concerns, type it down question below guys. I'll answer as soon as possible guys. See you guys on the next one, and there you guys. Thank you guys.